I honestly believe that there will be industries that will be disrupted. And I did a talk recently which quoted a bit of Gartner research about where they're suggesting that by 2030 that 80% of a project manager's role could theoretically be done by an AI augmented piece of software. And for project managers, hearing that statistic, they could go, oh, gosh.
Coming right at you, the PM Cowboy Podcast.
Hi, this is your Project Management Cowboy coming right back to you with our next podcast. I'm particularly excited about this topic because everybody's talking about it. We are talking today with an expert on AI. We have the special privilege all the way from Brisbane, Dr. Elissa Farrow, who has extensive real-life experience with a number of different topics. She'll give us a little bit of a lead-in of all the wonderful things she does. But without further ado, hi, Elissa. Welcome on board. I'm so happy that you took time out of your day. You're at a client, so I appreciate your commitment to discussing the topic. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's really great to be here.